Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Rapid ramen cooker, one tool to rule them all. You won't need stoves or boilers anymore. Our microwavable cookware is the only thing you'll need to whip up a bowl of your favorite ramen. Less stress, right? Easy peasy cooking. Enjoy hassle-free cooking with our microwavable bowl. Just put your instant ramen in the container and let the microwave do all the work. Reheat and eat. Have some ramen in the fridge? Don't worry about wasting it because our microwave cooker is perfect for reheating leftovers. Simple cleanup. Don't have the time or energy to do the dishes? Don't worry, our instant noodle bowl is completely dishwasher safe. Cleaning up after a quick meal has never been this easy. Dish towels. Feature. Size 28 by 16 cm, 11.2 by 6 inches. Material coral velvet. Package 12-pack kitchen towels. The 12-pack provides you an ample microfiber cleaning cloths towels for all your household needs in daily life. Ultra absorbent. These dish towels are made of high-quality coral velvet thickening material. They are lightweight, super absorbent, and dry quickly. The Kimteni Classic kitchen towels are lint-free and absorb fluids quickly and efficiently for any tasks. Machine washable, easily to be washed. They are washable for both hand and machine. The dish-drying towels maintain an excellent quality even after multiple washes, will resist shrinking and minimize lint. You could use these dish towels over and over again. Garlic twister. Multi-held kitchen tool that can mince all kinds of ingredients, from garlic to ginger, herbs, nuts, and more. Instructions. Use the garlic twister to smash the garlic clove and loosen the skin for peeling. See video. This also softens the garlic. Place 2 to 3 cloves in the unit and progressively twist while working your way down. Expect minced bits mixed with juices to come out. Kitchen knife set. High-quality knife set. High-quality stainless steel kitchen knife set is durable and rust-resistant for longer and more frequent use. All-in-one kitchen knife set. 15-piece knife set includes 8-inch chef's knife, H slicing knife, 7-inch santoku knife, H serrated bread knife, 5-inch utility knife, 3.5-inch paring knife, 6 4.5 serrated steak knives, 1 kitchen shear, knife block with built-in knife sharpener. Sharp knife set. The knives are carefully tuned for maximum sharpness for fast food cutting. Dishwasher safe. The knife set can be washed in the dishwasher, easy and quick to operate, and dry the knife set after cleaning for easy storage, not taking up space. Pan organizer rack. Pan and lid organizer. Efficiently store up to 5 pans or lids, helping you save valuable cabinet and countertop space. Versatile installation. This freestanding organizer offers both vertical and horizontal installation options, allowing you to choose the setup that best fits your space. Secure mounting. For added stability, the organizer can be secured to a fixed position by inserting a screw into the bottom screw hole. Screw included. 9-inch D in 9.5 inches fuse into 11.7786422. Meat thermometer, instant read food thermometer. Our instant read thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2 to 3 seconds response time. Instructions. Meat temperature chart comes pre-calibrated for your convenience and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use. From barbecue thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Ninger camping cutting board. 2-in-1 cutting board. Foldable sink can be used to wash dishes, vegetables, fruits. Collapsible cutting board can be used to cut meat, vegetables, and fruits, also used as a storage basket for storing various foods and drinks, which effectively save your money, time, and space. Durable material camping sink are made of premium material, strong and durable, not easily deformed. Could be folded repeatedly without warp. The handle is strong and comfortable to carry. The feet are raised and reinforced for more stable and sturdy. 30 mm extra thickness provides a better durability, easy to use. Space-saving portable design multifunctional chopping board designed ergonomic, convenient storage, and space-saving design. Cutting board are fold-away, so they do not take up too much room in your kitchen cupboards, which portable and easy to clean. Kitchen strainer. Set of 3 versatile colanders. Upgrade your kitchen with this 3-piece stainless steel colander set, designed for maximum convenience and versatility. With 1.5, 3, and 5 quart capacities, you can choose the perfect size for any task from rinsing fruits and vegetables, draining pasta, straining rice, or washing seafood. Mixing bowls. Versatile kitchen gadgets. The mixing bowls with lid set and colander is perfect for washing vegetables, draining food, making salads, creams, biscuits, cakes, kneading dough, curing meat, and storing. The kitchen essential appliances are ideal for Christmas gift for women, a new home, Easter, Thanksgiving, Mother's Day, or any occasion. Durable material, easy to clean. Each mixing bowl is made of high-quality stainless steel, designed to resist dents and rust, yet they still remain lightweight and easy to handle. The mirrored interior makes cleaning a breeze. The mixing bowl and colander is also dishwasher safe. But the lid is not dishwasher safe. The lids are suitable for hand washing, as the heat of the dishwasher can warp them. Drip catcher tray mat. Flex biceps faster drying size. 14.25 into 5.35 into 0.60, 2.36 diameter single faucet hole. Unlike other products, we have increased the size, thickness, and weight of our products. The latest 5 degrees slope design allows for faster and smoother water discharge and faster drying. This means no puddles to clean up, no water spots by the faucet. Give your kitchen sink an effort-saving upgrade. Flex Biceps upgrade version. While other kitchen faucet sink splash guards are made from hard-to-clean fabric that takes a lot of time to dry, our silicone faucet water catcher for sink is made from 100% silicone, soft and reliable, reusable and durable, won't scratch your utensils, totally safe to use. Our silicone water catchers will catch the water, and the water will drain to your sink, so don't worry about the wet fabric mat, or wash the mat and dry it. Bread maker. Fresh, homemade bread in 3 easy steps. Just add your ingredients to the bread maker, select the cycle, and press start. Versatile with 12 cycles, make delicious, mouth-watering loaves of bread or prepare dough for pizza and dinner rolls. Cycles include basic, French, gluten-free, whole grain, 1.5 pounds, express, 2.0 pounds, express, sweet dough, roast nuts, jam, and bake. Customize bread your way. With the Hamilton Beach bread machine, you can choose to make either 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, or 2 pounds loaves and select from 3 crust settings for light, medium, or dark crust. Beeps when it's time for addins. Before the second kneading cycle, the bread machine beeps to let you know it's time to add fruit, nuts, seeds, or other add-ins to the dough.